In this video, I'm going to show you how to export transactions from Credit Karma. So, Credit Karma itself does not provide a built-in option to export transactions directly, so there are some workarounds to extract your transactions, and I'm going to show you a few of these, actually 3, because I think they're the best. So, method 1 is to simply manually copy and paste. So, you will have to log into your Credit Karma account and then navigate to your transactions page. Now, from there, you will want to highlight the transactions you want and then simply copy them and paste them into either Google Sheets, Microsoft Excel, or maybe even Notepad if you want plain text formatting. Now, if needed, you can even use Excel's text to columns feature to properly format the data. Now, that's the first way. However, method 2 and 3 are much more efficient and much simpler. So, method 2 is to use a browser extension or a web scraper. Now, since Credit Karma does not have an export function, you can simply use a web scraping extension like Data Scraper, Easy Web Scraping, which can be obtained over here. Let me just show you really quickly. If you type that into Google, you'll be able to find this one. So inside the Chrome Web Store, it says Data Scraper, Easy Web Scraping, Chrome Web Store. You click on this, and then you press Add to Chrome, and then add extension, and you're good to go. Now you can use either this one or this one, which is the Instant Data Scraper. Both work very well. Now, first install the extension, as I just showed you. Then you want to open up the Credit Karma transactions page, and then you want to run the extension to extract data into a CSV or Excel file. You then have to download and clean up the data as you need it. Now, I'm going to show you how to do this, so it'll be much easier for you. There we go. For example, you select this one, you add it to Chrome, press Add Extension, and then after a few seconds, as you can see, this will download and it will essentially install automatically. From here, you want to, as I said earlier, you want to go inside the Credit Karma transactions page, and then you want to just click over here on this puzzle, look for Data Scraper, there it is, you want to click on it, and then from here, as you can see, it says this page cannot be scraped because I'm on a random page over here. However, if you are on a different page, for example, Credit Karma over here, there we go. And then you go to their website. There we go. And then you click on this data scraper. As you can see, it will start scraping up data. And as you can see, you'll be able to scrape data that way. And if it says you have to sign up, simply create a free account and you'll be good to go. Now, if that doesn't work for you either and you want method 3, here's the third method. It also works very well. So you can use a screen scraping tool, which is also called OCR. So if you can't select or copy the transactions, you can use optical character recognition. Now, some of them are Microsoft OneNote, which offers image to text. So we just screenshot it and then put it into Microsoft OneNote, which will put it into text. You can use Google Keep, which can also extract text from image, or Tesseract OCR, which is for more advanced users. So first you'll have to take a screenshot of your transactions on your computer. You can then use an OCR tool to convert the image into text and then paste the extracted text into Excel or Google Sheets. And then after that, you have to manually clean up and organize the data. So when it comes to screenshots, I would actually recommend Lightshot, which is this thing over here. Let me show it to you. There we go. You go to Google, type in Lightshot, screenshot tool for Mac and Windows. Over here, you download it for Windows and you install it. And after you're done, you'll be able to screenshot using it. As you can see over here, I have it installed. It's called Lightshot. You have to press print screen on your keyboard to take a screenshot. And if I do that right now, as you can see, I can now take a screenshot. And you can just simply, after you're done with that, you can save the screenshot clicking over here. And then you can save it somewhere inside your computer, wherever you want to have it. And then you open up one of those OCR tools that I just mentioned earlier. And after that, you'll be good to go and you can extract the data. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.